Here's the way you would write a capital cursive letter G. So starting at the bottom, we're going to curve all the way up to the top at a slant, do a loop, then go up with a little tail, then I'm going to go down to the bottom and curve up. So go up at a slant, loop at the top, give it that little tail, then go down with a belly and touch. Up, loop, tail, down with a belly and touch. You might see sometimes some people that go over like this. That's okay too. Here we go. Up, loop, tail, belly, and touch. Up, loop, belly, and touch. Up, loop. There we go. Lowercase g. Starting at the dotted line, looking kind of like an A, we'll curve down and around, go up, then go below the line to loop. So it's very similar to a regular G. If I go up and if I were to stop here, then it would be just like a regular G, but I'm going to loop it up to connect to the next letter. Over, down below the line, and loop up. So again, dotted line, starting. I have a regular G right now that I'm going to loop it up and connect it to the next letter. Regular G, loop it up. Regular G, loop it up. So as I'm writing a word, again, don't lift up my pen or pencil. Tracing along those lines without lifting.